guys! So, I'm gonna show you how to make your own almond milk. The reason why I'm showing you is a lot of the nut milks you can get at the store are actually full of preservatives and not that good for you. And it's really simple to make once you get used to it. And it's also cheaper, obviously. I am gonna make almond milk, so I soak the almonds overnight. Almonds and nuts in general have a toxic substance that releases once you soak them. So it's kind of really important to make sure you soak them beforehand for at least 8 hours. Let's see. So, let's mix them, get all the toxins off, and get your blender. And I think probably a couple of cups of water to blend it with. Nice distilled, clean, healthy water. 2 cups. And that should still be pretty thick and pretty creamy. If you want it thinner, you can fill it up as much as you like. It depends on your preference. So, almonds are amazing for women's health. It's a great way to protect you against breast cancer. It's got protein, magnesium, vitamin E, shit ton of vitamin E that defends against like your cells being damaged. It's great for blood pressure, low cholesterol. So this is a super healthy dairy alternative. And dairy is highly inflammatory, highly unhealthy. So I'm trying to save your life here, so pay attention. So we're gonna blend. So, actually I'm gonna add a date and some spices just to make it super delicious. And I know the stuff you buy from the store, a lot of it tastes honestly funky. It has a weird aftertaste. It's not delicious. So you're not gonna believe the difference when you make it yourself. Like literally you're not gonna believe it. It makes such a big difference. So 1 date, take the pit out. You could use honey, or you could use, what else? Like, I guess maple syrup, but maple syrup is not really raw, and I like to keep as many things raw as I can. Honestly, raw is the way a little bit of salt to preserve it in the fridge, so it has a longer shelf life. Some cinnamon, very good for your blood sugar. So that should be fairly well blended. So creamy. Make sure when you buy almonds that they're raw, because in America it's actually supposed to be pasteurized, but it kills all the medicinal benefits. So I buy mine, if I can, at the farmer's market, raw from the farmer. It makes a huge difference. Never ever buy almonds that have been flash pasteurized. They killed them, basically. Yeah. You might want to ask, why does the FDA want to do something like that? But that's a whole different story. I'll tell you all about it another time. So, here we are. This is so satisfying. I'm milking my almonds. So you can totally use the almond flour afterwards. So usually make it to make a dehydrated cookie with dates, or any kind of crust, pizza, anything. So, but make sure you get every drop out. Honestly, it's like golden milk. Oh. So yeah, I guess almond milk is a little more complicated, but the benefits are like huge and so delicious. You're gonna look back and be like, how did I ever drink dairy when I can drink this? Yes. Wait till you taste this. Go make it.